Hello! Today I would like to talk about the brightness of your keyboard and how to control the brightness of your external display. So let's dive in. With a new MacBook Pro, you don't have a sign key on your keyboard to control the brightness of your keyboard. So you have to go to the control center, and from here you can adjust it. And you can also do it from the touch bar. If it doesn't appear, you can go to System Setting. You go to Keyboard, adjust keyboard brightness, turn off. Then you can control manually from here. If you want to see it on the control center, you need to go down and you will see keyboard and show in the menu bar and show in the control center. So that's nice, but I adjust my key with an app called Karabiner, and I can control from here too. Karabiner is a very powerful app. I don't use the full potential of it for super user, but it's also user-friendly for people like me. So one of the things I use with it, function key, F3, and then in the drop-down menu, I go to Other and Illumination Decrement. And for the F4, I go to Other Illumination Increment. You can do many other things with this app. Check it out. So that's for the keyboard. Now to control your external display. Mac let us control our internal display with the keyboard, but we cannot control external display like this one. We need to go to the control center, and from here display, and then we can control it. So it's not so much convenient. There is a way to control from your keyboard your studio display. You have to press Control and the Illumination button, and then I control this one, and only with the Illumination button I control this one. So that's great, but if you use your iPad as an external display, you cannot control it from the control center. There is only my main computer. So if you want to control it, you have to go here. You have to touch the iPad. You cannot control from the keyboard, but there is an app for that, and it's great. It's called Lunar. I'll give all the links in the description below, and I have it already. So when it installed, it looks like something like this, and from here I can control my computer, the studio display, and the sidecar. Great. And you have many modes. Sync mode, that means all I do will be exactly the same on all screen. You can still control them one by one with some shortcut if you want. I don't, but if you go to the display setting, and here you have many control. Is the brightness move independently or all together? That's a great app. I use it every day. So that's it for the brightness today. On the screen you can see this mic from Teenager Engineering. It's CM15. I will make a review of it very soon, and I will compare it to my HypeMic from Apogee and other mic from Universal Audio. So if you're interested, I will also make a review of the SIG track from Yamaha. If you're interested, subscribe. If you like this video, press the like button. Okay, see you, bye.